KCI3's Jackie DeFusco joins us live this morning. And Jackie, there is still no end in sight to this shutdown.
Leticia, that's right. And in fact, the Senate is not scheduled to meet again until Monday, even as over the weekend we are seeing the pain from this government shutdown really start to pick up, from flight disruptions to delays in food aid. 42 million Americans who rely on SNAP are facing more uncertainty. Payments were expected to freeze Saturday, November 1st, but now two federal judges are ordering the Trump administration to continue benefits using emergency reserves, a step Democrats have been calling for.
Donald Trump, Republicans, and the administration should not be weaponizing hunger.
On social media Friday, President Trump blamed Democrats for the government shutdown, adding, quote, "I have instructed our lawyers to ask the court to clarify how we can legally fund SNAP as soon as possible. It's still unclear, though, how long benefits will be delayed and whether they'll be paid in full, since the contingency fund only goes so far," USDA says.
It doesn't even cover half of the month of November.
It's just one of the government shutdown side effects worsening this weekend. More than 130 Head Start centers are missing grant payments on Saturday, putting critical services for low-income kids at risk of closure. Meantime, flight disruptions are mounting. The FAA says a, quote, "surge in call-outs is straining staff levels at multiple facilities." The union representing air traffic controllers, who are still going without pay, is now calling on Congress to pass a clean spending bill to reopen the government. For now, Democrats are standing by their health care demands. And those demands include extending Enhanced Affordable Care Act tax credits, as that are due to expire at the end of this year without further action from Congress. Now, again, without further action, that means that many Americans could see their out-of-pocket health insurance costs increase significantly. Many Americans are going to get a closer look at that this weekend as open enrollment kicks off in most states. Leticia.
And Jackie, what can Americans expect as this open enrollment kicks off?
Leticia, bottom line is they can expect higher premiums, according to the health policy research group KFF. Of course, it does depend on the individual, but they estimate that many Americans starting next year, again, without further action from Congress on these enhanced subsidies, could see their out-of-pocket monthly costs more than double. Now, the concern from Democrats as open enrollment starts is that some people may go to sign up for health insurance, they may see these higher costs, and they may decide to forego coverage altogether. So it's important to keep in mind that you want to shop around, you want to know your options, but that these prices also still have some time to change. Congress does have time to act still, and Republicans have expressed an openness to this debate, but they say it should not be a condition of reopening the government. Leticia.
And Jackie, thank you so much for your live